Hello, so this is for the 2021-2022 school year. My daughter will be going to 8th grade. Um, this would have been her first year going to junior high, or is it middle school? 8th grade in public school, but we're still doing the COVID stuff right now. So a lot of parents are opting out trying to do online schooling. And this year they would not fund for the public schools to do online again this year for that option. So we opted out to find an online school, and we found TOPS, which is Texas Online Preparatory School, which is a public online free school, because a lot of online schools are, you gotta pay for it, but this one is a free school. They send everything that you need, and so we are going to do an unboxing to see what all we got. So, dun, okay. What is this? Where's my letter? This says middle school microscope. So, I guess this would be for science. They taped it up good. There we go. So we have a little baggie here. Don't know what it's for, but it's, I'm assuming, everything you would need for science. They give you a little cloth to wipe your thing down. Oh. So this will be for science. Nice, nice, nice. So they give you everything that you need, literally. So that's that. And what is this? This is U.S. American history before 1865. So they send you the course. Use this list to check off items in this kit as you unpack them. A history of U.S. volume preparatory to 1800. So you got a world map, map skills and over the world, understanding geography, 1790 to 1787. This was the first one. Volume A, B, the folding map, we got that. The student guide. And MS American History student guide. So that's everything you'll need for 8th grade American history. This is for language arts, Summit Language Arts Kit. Okay. Checklist again. Oh, this is for reading Anne Frank, The Diary of a Young Girl. Lord of the Flies. Frederick Douglass. Dover 30 edition. And Journey in Literature. Nice. All this is brand new. Science 8 course fit. Letter. Do not appreciate or return the chemicals contained in this kit. So I guess at the end of the year, everything that they send you, you send it back, but you will not send the stuff back that's in this kit. This is potting soil, so I guess we're gonna plant something this year. A pocket scale. What is this? How do you say it? Protector, round, protractor. Some little beakers. Some to mix your chemicals with. A block. Straws. Rubber bands. See, they sent everything you need, all the way down to rubber bands. Spring scale. This looks like you're going to blow this up and it's going to be a global ball. It is. When you blow it up, it'll be a global ball. Everything you need. 6 pens. Hydrochloric acid. This is dirt. Sand, fine sand. More fine sand. More fine sand. We might have to do a video on what we doing with all this fine sand. But remember, we in school, so if whatever the project don't come out right, don't judge us. Forceps. A little mirror. Another block. I'm interested to know, well, I'm curious to know what we're going to do with blocks. These are the glass shields for your microscope. More of these plastic jars. Cups. Gloves. Two pair of gloves. These are balloons. 12-inch. I don't know how many's in here, but it looks like a few. Little beakers. Pipettes or whatever. Glass, cover glass. I don't know what this is. It is something. Molding clay. Iodine solution. Measuring tape. Metric measuring tape. Marble. One little marble. A big old metric stick, pipe cleaners, a ring, copper wire, a lab apron. Let's open it up to see what it looks like. Oh, it's what material would this be? Like leather? Oh, K12. This is nice. It's not cheap at all. It's a nice lab. So you see they send, I have one more box here, but you see they send pretty much everything that you need for school, they send it to you. This is our first year. One of Cedric's clients told him about this school. Matter of fact, it was Sharonda. They have a video that we'll link that you guys can see them getting their exercises in. Training, of course. So she will start school on the 25th, which is next Wednesday. Yeah. So this is everything we need. What I've read, you make your own schedule. They have classes, but you can fix your schedule how you want it. They do have clubs and all that, but we'll do more research on it and do a follow-up video. But yes, and there is a teacher. You do have a teacher that you'll video chat with, and then the rest of the time, that's when you're doing your work. So it's not like you're online all day, or your day is full of just school. You work at your own pace. You make sure you get all your work done. And let's see, we have another box. A little letter. Let's see what this is. Welcome. It's called TOPS. I know I told you this once, but I'm going to tell you again. TOPS, Texas Online Preparatory School. Powered by Strike K12. So it's just a little overview on, telling you to put away all your materials, set you up a learning spot. Your learning coach will be your parent, who will assist you with online. But pretty much the teacher does it all. The younger you are, your parents will probably have to be more involved. Will attend online orientation, meet teachers and other students, complete intro to online learning course if you're a new student. Think about your interests, so when it's time to sign up for clubs and all that, you can be ready. So it's just a little quick overview of everything, and it gives you all the contact information that you need to contact someone. I hate not being able to contact teachers and stuff like that, but they have a helpline for answering questions, resources, online support. Yeah. Let's see what's in this box. This box here is the computer. It's an HP computer. Nice. I guess this is your password or access or whatever for it. Nice. It also comes with Oh, they got your headphones, so you won't be disturbed while in school. A mouse. Your cord. What kind of cord is this? Micro cord. What kind of cord is this for? The blue cable to plug up. This is to go to your internet, hook directly up to your internet for better internet service. And that is all we have. So it looks like we will be set. And the more I find out about K12 and the further we get into it, we will come back and do an update video. But for those of you who are thinking about putting your kids in an online school, but you really can't afford the tuition for all those, and you don't want to be a homeschool teacher, there is K12, which is a public online school. And there is a difference between homeschool and online school. Online school is just like a public school, except for you're online, like what mostly everyone did last year. Homeschool is actually where your parents are the teacher. They have to know your schedule, set what you're going to be learning, all that kind of stuff. But through K12, they do it all. You're just there to assist them. But so far, this seems very interesting, and they supply everything that you need. All right, until next time, see you later. Bye. Okay, so today is Saturday, August 21st. Her printer has arrived. So you see she couldn't wait to get it open. So now we have the laptop, the printer, and a few books for history, science, and reading. Now we're just waiting for the rest of her books, but we're finna get ready to go through the checklist and do everything that we need to do and watch the videos or anything associated with set schedule up and all that good stuff, and be prepared for her orientation on Tuesday, and then school will start on Wednesday. All right, see y'all later. Bye.